Hello everybody and welcome to Luxury Benefits channel. My name is Sviatoslav and today we will talk about importance of physical relaxation for clear vision and about danger of eyeglasses for eyes central fixation. Extinction of the habit of nervous and physical overstrain. These are two very important questions. A person's eyesight without glasses depends 100% on his condition. When a person is calm, relaxed, all his muscles are relaxed. The muscles of the face are relaxed, the muscles of the eyes are relaxed, and the eyes can see better. He just starts to get nervous, freak out at once, cheeks come in, muscles come in, eyes squeezed and everything blurred in front of the eyes. How often do we get nervous and physically overexerted during the day? You need to remember when you was nervous during the day and how it happened. For example, today I was nervous because of something happened, but we can give yourself an installation that next time we will not be nervous because of like this situation that made us nervous. That's all. Do you change the distance to the text while reading or writing or using smartphone? In the process of reading, writing, using smartphone, change the distance to the text as often as possible. Why? The fact is that human muscle work very poorly in a constantly tense state. Here you can take a 10 kilograms or 22 pounds dumbbell and hold this dumbbell for 2 hours. I'll hold it for 10 minutes, my hand will shake. Why? The muscle is tense and tired, but if to lift this dumbbell, yes, I can lift it all day, I wouldn't get tired, because relaxed, tensed, relaxed, tense. In this mode, the muscle can work whole day and not get tired. What happens when a person reads or writes at a very specific fixed distance? He looks at the book, strains, the oblique muscles of his eyes get tired and tensed, his eyes stretch forward and he sees everything in the book. And the muscles are constantly tense and in the same state, even can get spasm. But when you blink and start changing the distance to the text or smartphone, you start training your eyes muscles, namely blink, carried further, relaxed, blink, brought closer, relax, strained. What will you do when you read and write while changing the distance to the text as often as possible? You will not only read and write, but you will train your oculomotor muscles in the process of reading and writing. If you just read at the same distance and write, your vision deteriorates, and if you read and write and change the distance to the text as often as possible, then your vision is trained. By the way, I saw one person who reads the book like this, a person looking at one point on the book, moving the book to the right and then to the left. That is, he looked at one point and only a book he carried the lines back and forth. This is the most destructive eye regime. That is without blinking. At one point the muscles are tense, of course they get tired, overexerted, and vision from this sharply deteriorates. What is a fixation center? If you look at the human eye from the side, it looks like a circle in front of the lens, and the back of the eye is aligned from the inside with the retina. This retina is located directly opposite the pupil on the visual axis. It forms the central fossa, and this is a place, it has a yellow color and it's called the yellow spot. This place is called macula, and the center of this place is called central fossa. And central fossa is the most light sensitive part of the human eye, and the person sees best of all what falls in the central fossa, to the center of his eye. For example, I'm looking forward, in front of me I can see perfectly, because image in both the right and left eyes falls exactly into the central fossa. But if I look with peripheral vision, this sensitivity is 1,000 times worse and I cannot even say who is there, the man or woman is sitting. People who wear glasses, their central fixation usually is broken. Why is it? According to science, for each person's glasses have to be made in a special laboratory and adjust the centers of the lenses to the centers of your eyes with an accuracy of 1/10 of a millimeter. Such glasses were made only for a few people. Ordinary people don't get such glasses, and as a result, when a person puts on glasses, one eye looks directly through the center of the lens and the other looks slightly to the side. And as a result, that through the glasses, both in the right and in the left eye, the image gets exactly in the center of the eye. The person is forced to slightly crimp one eye. And because of the poor quality of the glasses, he develops a very weak internal squint. And when a person takes off his glasses and looks at something, one eye looks straight ahead and the other slightly to the side. And as a result, in one eye the image falls exactly in the center and in the second a little nearby. And due to this, the image of letters and on the table becomes blurred. And if to restore the central fixation, your vision immediately improves twice. And therefore, starting today, at any convenient moment, you can take off your glasses to put it in your pocket and do the exercise to restore central fixation. How to do central fixation exercise? Let's say you go to the window, take off your glasses, blink and slight blink relaxes the muscle of the eyes and makes them stand parallel again. And you are looking at the street, blink, looked at some point of a street, for example at a house, blink, look at this house, and then in the house you can choose a window, blink and look more intently at this window. Blink at least 5 times and you will see it by the centers of the eyes. You have done the exercise to restore central fixation. Basically, you can take off your glasses, blink and make a central fixation on any distant object and focus for a few seconds and blink with relaxed eyes. Light blinking causes the muscles of the eyes to relax and adjust to see clearly. All this is done without glasses, just do it as often as possible. The less you wear glasses, the faster your vision will be restored. This follows from Bates' general theory of vision. Thanks for watching this video to the end. Today we discussed importance of brain relaxation for clear vision and about danger of eyeglasses for eyes central fixation. I hope it will help you. Subscribe to my channel and we'll see you again.